Is that good? Is that good? You like it? Jump high, Rye. Good job. Good job, Rye. You like it? Is this fun? Hey Jake, did you do a flip? Let's see the flips. Nice job, Rye. Nice job. Do you like this? Kate, do you like it? Are you doing a flip? Jake, can I see a flip? Jake, you gonna show me a flip? I'm watching. Do it. You can do it. Riley, jump high. Jump high. Jump. Jump high. Right. Go high. Hold on with both hands. Hold on. Whoa.